Okay, so let's review how to add fractions, okay? So this is actually week 32, so this is the one we're on right now. So looking at this first example, if you notice the denominator, the bottom number, is the same. So all I have to do is keep my denominator the same and then add my numerators. 2 and 2 is 4. That's a very simple one. That's 4/5 is my answer. Okay, now looking at this next one, I've got 2/4 plus 1/3. Okay, one way we could do this is to find a common denominator. And so list out the multiples of 4 and the multiples of 3, and then circle the bottom one, and then find the equivalent fractions. But remember, we learned a much simpler way, and we called it the smiley face method. Okay, so our smiley face method, what we're going to do is multiply the two bottom numbers together. So this becomes our new denominator. Okay, now to do the rest of my smiley face, I'm going to multiply, cross multiply. 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 4 is 4, which gives me a total of, now I have common denominators, so my denominator stays as a 12, and I just add my top numbers together. Okay, and then of course I also know that these are both even, so I can divide them both by 2, and I would end up with 5, 6 in simplest form. Okay, so what I'm seeing some of is this. Let's use that same example. 2/4 plus 1/3. I'm seeing this a lot, and it's just not right. It's 2/7. And this is not true, okay? So you don't just add the tops and add the bottoms together. You have to find a common denominator, and we've found that the smiley face method is very simple. Okay, so multiply, then cross multiply, then add them up. Reduce if you can. Okay, let's see your work on the next ones.